So here's some related information to chanterelles. There are three different mushrooms that look like chanterelles from this website a to z animals.com. There's the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, the false scaly chanterelle, and the false chanterelle, and each of those are poisonous. Um, the jack-o'-lantern mushroom is especially poisonous, and it does really look a lot like chanterelles. Um, but you can distinguish them because they're found in a different spot than chanterelles can be. They're usually found under trees, um, when chanterelles are found under like a bunch of dead leaves. Um, there's also a bunch of chanterelle recipes that you can try, and usually if you substitute the chanterelles you find for um, like different kinds of meats, or like protein, then you can make anything with the mushroom. There are really good pizza recipes that you can put in, and I usually just like to make it like with a pasta, because it's like quick and easy. But if you want to get fancy, Bon Appetit has like a bunch of recipes that you can try. This one looks really good: crispy mushroom and ricotta toast. Sweet potato and mushrooms always go good together. Um, and as you can see, like people are combining like different proteins with the chanterelles, like salmon or lamb. There's a lot of different options. You don't have to just like grill the mushroom itself.